We're here at the dog show at the Puppet Hideaway, and we've been looking at some of the dog puppets, and I shared with you these vintage puppets from the 80s that are made by the Dakin Company. And today we have another one of those puppets. Hey, look at this. This is their Moose puppet, and this was made in 1988. And I think it's another one of their very cute, fun animal characters. I mentioned before, I love the soft mouths because I think it can make them very expressive and fun to perform. So please keep watching the Puppet Hideaway to see more fun puppets.